Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Capcut's blend mode and mask for to blend two videos. So here I have this video and also this video with a person. I want to blend these two videos, so what you need to do is import them to Capcut and make one of them as overlay. So I'm going to make the sky video as overlay here like this. Okay, I'm going to adjust the video duration. Now you can use the blend here. You can use any mode that you like. So I'm maybe gonna use the soft. Let's try the soft or the hard here. Okay, let's try the normal first here. Now you can just go to mask and select the split mode or horizontal, this one. Okay, so it will become like this. You can add some feather effect to make it have the blurry edges. Now I'm going to go to try blending. Okay, you can choose any mode that you like here. Then I'm going to use soft here. If you want, you can also copy it again to make it looks more visible, the overlay. Then on the second one, you can use the cat out. Okay, so it will go like this. Okay, that's how you can blend two videos in Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.